Hey there, creatives. I'm Maggie Adams, graphic design professor and founder of My Design Coach, where I help designers just like you feel confident, capable, and creatively empowered. Whether you're just starting out or brushing up on your skills, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the first essential skill of mastering artboards in Adobe Illustrator, how to create artboards efficiently. Let's make sure you're starting your projects on the right foot in Adobe Illustrator. In Illustrator, you can create new artboards in multiple ways. When you're starting a new project and you've just opened Adobe Illustrator, simply select the blue New File button in the top left corner. Or at the top, from the File drop-down, select New. Either option will give you New Document pop-up window. Across the top are some common sizes for different applications such as mobile, web, print, social, and a few others. If you're designing for print, simply click on Print at the top and you'll find some standard print sizes. Off to the far right side, under Preset Details, you can enter your own file size. Be sure to select the units of measurements that you prefer. For me, I work in inches for print projects. For this demo, we'll set this file to business card size, 3.5 inches wide by 2 inches high. Next to the size is portrait and landscape, and then how many artboards you'd like in the file. Let's go with 8 artboards. Down below are options for bleed, as well as color mode. Select CMYK for print, RGB for digital, and you have a few other options here as well. We're going to select Create at the bottom to open our new document. Oftentimes, as we're working within a document, we need to add artboards to an existing file. So off to the left in your Tools panel, you can hover over the tools until you find the Artboards icon, which is a portrait page and crop marks in the top left corner. If you're interested in working smarter, not harder, the keyboard shortcut here is Shift-O. Not 0, but the letter O. If you're not seeing the tool names pop up when you hover and you want those turned on or turned off, simply go to the Illustrator Settings, General, and here you'll find the option for Show Tooltips. Once you click the Artboard tool, you will see you have activated your artboards. Find an open area in your workspace, click, hold, and drag to make a new artboard. When you're selected on any tool in Illustrator, above the workspace will be options specific for that tool. So here you will see options for the Artboard tool. If you're not seeing these options, navigate to Window, Workspace, and I prefer Essentials Classic, but feel free to choose any as long as you see these options. You can even create your own personalized workspace, but that's for another video. Click on any artboard, navigate to the top, and type in the exact size you want. Another way you can change an artboard size is by double-clicking the artboard icon or double-clicking on the artboard itself. Either option will bring up an artboard option panel, and you can change the size in this window. Note this is an easy way to change an artboard from portrait to landscape or vice versa. Let's change this artboard to portrait so we can have a portrait variation of a business card. Be sure your artboards do not overlap in case you have bleed in your files. You can simply click on any artboard and move it. Another way to access the artboards option is to click on the selection tool, which is the top left hollow arrow. Keyboard shortcut is simply the letter V. At the top, select Document Setup, then Edit Artboards. This gives you the same edit options we've covered. If you have your Properties panel open, you can also see that there are edit options available here as well. Now you know how to confidently create new artboards in multiple ways, whether from scratch or on the fly. If you're looking for more artboard tips, check out the other artboard tip videos linked in the description below. Until next time, keep designing responsibly and practice those keyboard shortcuts. Thanks so much for watching. If this video was helpful, give it a like so I know to keep making more like it. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss a new tip. If you have a video request or topic you're stuck on, drop it in the comment. I'd love to hear from you. I'm also working on something really exciting, a complete college curriculum, industry-focused online design education program built just for creatives like you. Whether you're brand new, growing your skills, or working towards a career in design, this will be your go-to resource. You'll be learning from a college professor, that's me. And the program will cover beginner through advanced skills, real-world projects, portfolio building, and options for feedback and support, like having a design mentor right in your pocket. It'll be subscription-based with flexible tiers depending on the level of support that you're looking for. Check out My Design Coach, link in the description, for updates and early access. In the meantime, there's plenty more to explore here on the channel, so stick around, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.